Alrighty, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. You know it is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. Let's get the microphone over here. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. Would be much appreciated. Help us get monetized. Watch videos from beginning to end. That would get us more monetized. Okay, now the thing is this. I'm doing a recap of the video that I just posted not too long ago. I'm going to get a recap done on this video because somebody said to me, well, that doesn't seem like because you recorded it before you dropped it. Just doesn't seem right. So before anything is said, we're going to put the test result, set the GPU up just the way we had it the last time. So this way you can see that I'm not fabricating this. Okay, so now we got the fans ramped up to 100. Let's go ahead and pull things down and stand by. Let's get it all going. Alrighty, let's switch the screens and here we go. Let's see. How we doing? I got everything set up. Now it's on with OBS. Now this right here, just a part 2 to it, so you can see that, you know, I was curious myself to see if it was actually going to run like this. I figured I'd record it first to see what it's going to do, and now that I've seen it, now it's running at 3 gigs, and, you know, it's running good. It looks like it's doing right what it needs to do. So you all seen it right here. I'm not going to run a long test. I just wanted to do a follow-up to show you all that it can be done. Somebody asked me about it, so, you know, here it is. Here's the testing. It looks like it can be done with OBS running. So this is all live, just to let you know. So this is the follow-up test to it. So as you can see, it's running pretty good. You know, the GPU's actually clocked over 3 gigahertz. You know, it's running 177 watts. And, you know, its memory is running right where it needs to be. So here we go. There. Proof is in the pudding. So we'll turn everything back. We'll turn everything back. And we'll put it just the way it was before I started. There we go. Now you all can see it's back to 200 and 200. We'll minimize this and we'll go back to the screen. So, okay, I had to break into the video for the simple fact I couldn't leave y'all like that. So I added a little bit more to the video to make it a little bit more longer. Just to let you know. So I'm breaking in. I got a couple more benchmarks I threw in there for y'all. I hope you do enjoy them and stick around for them. And, you know, they're going to be a good one, I hope. So here we and here we go. Alright, this is a really quick video. This is just a part 2. Y'all wanted to see if it was going to run with OBS or not, so I showed you. It runs fine with OBS. I didn't do a lengthy test. I just did, like, this is only going to be like a 5 or 6 minute video just to show you that it clocks over 3 gigahertz with OBS and without. You know, if you can turn it off or turn it on, whatever you want to look at. It still runs close to the same. So just to get that out there. Alright, so this is the ending to the video. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. And welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds family. And all the subscribers we have, we want to thank you for being a part of the family. And we want to thank you for watching all our videos. But anyway, till the next time and in the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.